All right, I'm going to try to do a video that's just a few minutes long. I just got off the phone with somebody that's interested in the multiple income funnel. And I love doing at least a couple videos about the performance or how much money it made or didn't made or what I've done to maybe promote people looking at the opportunity. So what I'd like to do now, just real quickly, let me show you just my email box. All righty. See these MIF? It means multiple income funnel. And when there's like a number 2 or a number 4 by it, that means that they have joined for 1 year, which means I got a $200 commission. Okay. $20 plus 180 is 200. And that's because when you first join the funnel, it's 49 and then you upgrade it to the 1 year. So there's always going to be 2 of these in one email, and that means you're in the money. So do you want to join for 1 year when you join the income funnel? Oh yeah. Okay. Look at that. In a 24-hour period, there's $200. And look, this one has 4. See the little number 4? That means 2 people back to back joined for a year. That's another $400. So guys, 200 plus 400, see this? 180 plus 20, 180 plus 20. It's a $600 day again. This is March 17th going into March 18th, 2024. And I like the timestamp because people go to my YouTube channel and they want to see reviews. So all I can say is that as of March 17th going to 18th and the 19th, the funnel, it's working great. The 4 income streams, they're desirable, they're yummy, they're tasty, and people are coming to the website and they are looking at the opportunities and they're buying. The commissions are there. Today was another $600 day with LIVEGOOD, which is my baby. I was able to sign up, I think 2 or 3 people. I forgot, I'd have to show you again. Yeah, LIVEGOOD is one of my favorite opportunities. And you can see right here, I had 1, 2, 3. Look, I've had 4 people. Look, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. There's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, guys, and this is in a 20-day period. Okay, so we're heading into the 18th, and you can see that going down there to the 28th. Okay, so in a 20-day period, I've signed up 18 people in LIVEGOOD, and that's as of March of 2022. And guys, I'm just getting started in LIVEGOOD. Okay, so please look into the multiple income funnel. It has really increased the desirability and the yumminess. It is salt and pepper. It's triple cheese on lasagna. But it really helps to have a system in place that takes care of baby LIVEGOOD. And the multiple income funnel, in my opinion, is it. It's consistently put over $10,000 a month in my pocket. LIVEGOOD has done a few grand. My Lead Gen, which is a great company where you can get nice leads for only $1 a day, they've easily put a couple $1,000 in my pocket per month. And Traffic Authority, which to me is the Harvard University of buying education on how to market properly, how to do things online, how to sell something. Okay. And there's a ton of training just with the funnel alone. Wait do you see just the training that comes with it? Outstanding training. Okay. So to make this kind of money by promoting one link, pleasewatchvideo.com. That's all I do, because once you go into the website, you can see the website, you can see the other income streams. That's LIVEGOOD, My Lead Gen, and Traffic Authority. People are shopping. People are buying things. Their tools, their systems, their links, they're just great little things that make, and I always use this analogy. I just love to say, hey, if you want just a nice hot fudge sundae, you need ice cream, hot fudge, whipped cream, and a cherry. Those 4 things make a pretty darn good one, doesn't it? And my favorite thing is tacos. I have to do this analogy. It's like taco shells. Okay. Meat. Oh yeah. Cheese, triple. I put more cheese on the taco than the taco itself. And then I love just green sauce, hot sauce. I love Cholula. I'm a big fan of tacos. I think most people are. Okay, but you need those 4 things to make one delicious taco. And with LIVEGOOD, I'll tell you what, it's a great company. I sure hope you look into it. And I want you to look into the multiple income funnel. Okay, it's basically just 4 opportunities that people buy, and they all complement each other. It's nothing more fancy than that. But please look into it. Go to pleasewatchvideo.com. I'll end the video. I'll make a short one. Here it is right here. There it is. Okay, and just hit that play button. Okay, just watch Mac Daddy talk about the opportunity. He's got a little bit of cash. He goes to the bank. He has some cool cars. But at the end of the day, he just explains a really nice system. Okay, and that is the multiple income funnel. So as of now, as far as a 5-minute review, is it working? Yeah, it was another $600 day. And it's such a great feeling, guys. Okay, Live Good, it's doing well. My lead gen is kicking ass, and Traffic Authority, I couldn't be more happy. Okay, so if you're looking for someone honest on a review, my contact information is below the video, and I'm not shy. And if something don't work, I don't do it. But if I'm making a video as of March 17th or March 18th, whatever the hell it is today, it's doing really well. Okay, I hope you look into it. Those $200 commissions, man, do those darn things add up. So, all right, guys, have a good time. Have a good day. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I appreciate you guys just watching these darn things, okay? All right, have a good one. We'll see you next video.